How to lowering fleet maintenance costs with PosiTrace. When budgets are tight and time is short, it's tempting to put off maintenance, but running vehicles until they break actually costs you more. Last-minute repairs can be up to 4 times more expensive than scheduled maintenance, and unexpected breakdowns bring your operations to a halt. PosiTrace helps you shift from reactive repairs to preventive maintenance. Set up scheduled tasks based on engine hours or time intervals and get email reminders when service is due. You can also link each work order or task to a vendor registered in your vendor directory within the platform. The Fleet Schedule Task dashboard shows all your upcoming maintenance in one place. See service tasks, status, interval, next due date, and equipment at a glance. Set up automatic email reminders based on engine hours or time so you never miss a scheduled service. Drivers complete pre-trip inspections right from their smartphones. When an issue is found, they take a photo and add notes. You get instant alerts so you can review the issue immediately and decide if the vehicle is safe to drive or needs repair. Preventive maintenance costs significantly less than emergency repairs. Scheduled service is predictable and affordable. Stop reacting to breakdowns and start preventing them. PosiTrace helps you schedule smarter, catch issues early, and keep your fleet running. Book your demo today to see how preventive maintenance can save you time and money.